No keys.
Dusty.
Running like an animal. Running like an animal. I wanna jump straight off from these great heights. Close my eyes, one last high dive. Say a prayer for me. I wanna cut through waves, soul, running like an animal.
So it's actually a couple days later, and I actually overheated my phone, so that's why the footage stopped. So it's been ideal conditions because it's been so dry. You can get away with cleaning these stumps up nice. All the dirt comes off of it when it's nice and dry like that. When it's wet, it sticks to the stump. But you can see I cleaned this up pretty good. You can see it's nice and flat. I normally don't bury the debris, but I tried something new this time. There was only a little bit, but I packed it in nice with this. This is all clay. This is hard to read through the camera. I got my glasses. Wireless. Yeah. Yep. All right, so we just picked up this microphone. Bauer. A couple years ago, my sister got me something similar to this. I just could not get it to work correctly. It was real muffled. So I just picked this up from Walmart, $21. Bauer. We're going to give it a shot. I'm not affiliated with these guys at all, but we'll try it out in today's video. Some of it's going to be with a mic and some won't be. Give you guys a quick pan of the workshop here. This is just a 24 by 24 garage that I store a lot of my tools and equipment in. And right now it works for me. I'll have to do a tour of this place eventually. But we're running out of room, obviously. I just got the golf cart. I want to show you guys a plan I have. And I want you to write in the comments if you would suggest this. So hear me out. This is where I'm thinking about putting a 40-foot shipping container. The entrance will be right here along the driveway. You could pull into it. I'm going to have to build a nice level pad from this asphalt to there. Slopes pretty good actually, so I'm gonna have to build that up and get it flat. And then on this side, you know, you'll have the container running long ways. On that side I'll have like my attachments and everything, and on this side we could do some sort of patio or something. And then on the top of the container I'm thinking a deck, and I can look out to my view here. So that's the plan. I don't know if I'll get to that this year, but I've been kicking around also buying a brush hog. It's either a shipping container or a brush hog. If there's companies out there that, you know, wouldn't mind sponsoring me a brush hog, I'm not looking for anything free. No handouts. I just need something to help me on the channel and do some honest reviews. You know, I'll pay for it. I don't know. There's got to be someone out there. I screwed up and took out my driveway here. Don't ever do this. Don't ever put anything sharp. Oh, there we go. Don't put anything sharp on your asphalt driveway. It'll sink into it. Now I got another video, I guess. Job security. Okay, that's gonna do. I don't want to tear the grass up. Right in the shins. Dang, I'm stupid sometimes. Clean the window. Alright, this is going to wrap the video up. Here's a preview of what we're going to get into in the next video. I need to process these logs into firewood. I got to grab some of our IBC totes and bring them over here. And then we'll use the excavator to lift them up, cut them. We'll split them right here and we'll get some totes. It's going to be August soon, so the ground is already hard. You're not going to be tearing up the yard. So, we also got to take this maple down eventually. Now I need some more tools. I need a stump grinder for the excavator or skid steer. I'm thinking the excavator. Man, it would be nice to be able to just be real detailed. And then I also need a wood chipper. Man, a wood chipper would be nice. Alright, it's going to wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, guys.
Running like an animal. Running like an animal.